English vocabulary for people's personality. Introvert. An introvert is a quiet, shy person who finds it difficult to talk to people. Extrovert. Someone who is extrovert is very active and friendly. Open-minded. If you describe someone as open-minded, you approve of them because they are willing to listen to and consider other people's ideas and suggestions. Closed-minded. The meaning of closed-minded is not willing to consider different ideas or opinions, having or showing a closed mind. Self-centered. Someone who is self-centered is only concerned with their own wants and needs and never thinks about other people. Optimistic. Someone who is optimistic is hopeful about the future or the success of something in particular. Pessimistic. Someone who is pessimistic thinks that bad things are going to happen. Empathetic. Someone who is empathetic has the ability to share another person's feelings or emotions as if they were their own. Conscientious. Someone who is conscientious is very careful to do their work properly. Careless. If you are careless, you do not pay enough attention to what you are doing, and so you make mistakes, or cause harm or damage. Creative. A creative person has the ability to invent and develop original ideas, especially in the arts. Analytical. An analytical person wants to gather and consider information at length before making a big decision. Ambitious. Someone who is ambitious has a strong desire to be successful, rich, or powerful. Aggressive. Someone who is physically verbally threatening towards other people. Anxious. Someone who worries a lot. Boring. Someone who is not very interesting. Charismatic. Someone who attracts other people, and who is good at getting people's attention. Courageous. Someone who is very brave. Dependable. Someone who is very reliable. Devious. Someone who cheats other people, to get what they want. Egotistical. Someone who acts as if they are more important than others. Sociable. Someone who enjoys mixing with people. Talkative. Somebody who talks a lot. Cowardly. Someone who is afraid of things. Generous. Someone who shares their time or things with others. Loud. Someone who talks really loudly. Dim. Who is not very intelligent. Bossy. Someone who tries to control other people. Big-headed. Someone with very high opinion of themselves. Bad-tempered. Someone who gets angry a lot.